Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the two deals, the Pro section, the Power Tool section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make material review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got a Greenworks, looks like an 11-inch surface cleaner. Now we got an Eagle, 56 volts, and then this is a Greenworks 499. Just gotta pay attention because a lot of these go on sale, or actually on clearance, like this one. This one went on clearance for 199. I believe that one's just a push mower, so it just depends on what the clearance is. You got drill driver, impact driver for 99. Great for the DIY. Just the DIY. I wouldn't recommend that for the professional. Those are brush tools. I got 232 piece for $99. Got a compressor, 6 gallon, $99 from Craftsman. You got a toolbox there for $349. I like the deep drawer, the long deep drawer. That's really nice to have in a box. Something like this to have two drawers, I'm not really into that. I like to have my my long sets of sockets and stuff like that. However, for the DIY, I think that'll work fine. But it's just more convenient to have a long, the top drawer, deep top drawer, and long. So that's $389 for the bottom piece. $678 for 41-inch top and bottom. So $678. 41-inch 6 drawer and a 10 drawer rolling cabinet. Does have the power strip on the right. Looks pretty nice, pretty decent. Like I said, if that's your taste. I personally like the solid colors or the matte finish colors. So $778 for a 52-inch top and bottom. You got $289, $259 for the top, so $548 for both. Not too bad in black. Got $548 for these, top and bottom. Or you can just buy them separately. And this is really nice. This is I like the matte finish, like I said, $498. 42-inch 13 drawer. Like I said, I like that big drawer, the deep drawer. And you got the Dewalt section here, some power tools and some accessories. Got impact driver, $99, 12 volt or 20 volts. You got drill driver, $99. Like I said, does come with 2 batteries. It's a basic kit. I believe it's brushless. Same thing with this. This is a 12 volts. Looks like impact driver, drill driver for $99. You got a 14 piece, black and gold, 14. And you got a 27 piece, $24.98. You got a 227 piece plus 5, $199. And then you got a Kobalt XTR, $17.98. So on this one, you got some magnetic bits there, and then some socket or nut drivers, some socket adapters there on the middle. And you got some stars there on the top, and some squares, and then you got some drill bits on the left, and the speed bit that they call it, the speed drive or whatnot. So it's a total of 50 pieces, $17.98. So not too bad. A pretty solid kit there for 17 bucks. Then you got the screwdrivers with the precision in the middle. Then you got a 100-piece Dewalt with some TikTok. I really don't like these because they have a lot of smaller bits, like filler bits. Pretty much I have tons of those bits. I don't use them. I use the longer, the 2-inch. So you get a circular saw for $279. I guess they're running a buy one get one free, so power detect. So you got the circular saw, reciprocating saw, angle grinder, $279 for the kits, and you get to select the free tool. $349 for the impact driver and hammer drill, and 2 batteries, and you get to select another free tool there. That's a bigger kit there for $24.98. Like I said, circular saw, $274, and then $399 for that bottom kit. Then Craftsman doing the same thing, so they're still having these deals. $99 for battery, 4 amp hour battery charger, get a free tool, or with a $149, which is a good deal. Drill and circular saw, or you got the even better deal with the circular reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, and a flashlight, 2 batteries and a charger, and a free tool. So definitely the $199 is a pretty good kit, all-inclusive kit, and pretty much all done with all those buying all those tools, power tools. I bought this kit, this blades the other day, and I'm not really happy with them. I don't like them. I've used Diablo or Milwaukee. I would definitely go for those two instead of the Craftsman blades. Tell you guys the truth, they were junk. 25 piece, $9.98. So they're running a few good sales on these. The bits I haven't used, I got some bits, so I will use them. I'll let you guys know if I like them or not. If you guys have any good or bad comments about Craftsman, let me know down in the comment section. See if that's what you like. For me personally, it didn't work. I had to switch blades all the time because I was cutting metal, I was cutting wood, and of course I was using the metal blade or the wood blade according to the material. So you got Kobalt, buy one get one free, $149 for 2 batteries, a charger, get a free tool, or $199, which is a better deal, or the $249 is an even better deal with the Kobalt XTRs. I would definitely go for the Kobalt XTR for $249 and a free tool. You can choose the reciprocating saw, circular saw, any of those. Then you got the titanium here, 21 piece, $19.98. Got the belt sander, $139. Looks like an angle grinder, $99. A speaker, $79, and a light, $69. So then again, not too bad. These tools are not that expensive. A fan for $99. And then you have that one. Looks like what is that? Yeah, they had that one on the wrong side, the 127. I was looking for that 319 piece, and they didn't have it. It was I believe it was another kit. They shouldn't have been there. You got the reciprocating saw, $99. Impact, looks like a impact driver for $99. And then you got the whole saws for $29.98. It's a 7 piece. Having bad experiences with the reciprocating saw blades, I'm probably gonna stay away from Craftsman, as in more expensive, hole saws and reciprocating saws and jigsaw blades. So that's probably, I'm gonna stick to the power. I might buy some power tools, but the blades, yeah, I'm still away from those. So on this one, you got the brushless, $149, which is a great deal, or the $249 with the reciprocating saw. I think these are both great deals. $149 for a brushless kit. That's a really good deal for 2 tools. $9.98. You got some stars there, some Phillips in the middle, and then you got some squares on the top. So pretty nice little kit there. And then you got a speed drive, a speed fit, whatever they call it, right there on the side. So $9.98 for this little kit. Then there's this one, they got a 25% off. Select Kobalt Tools XTR items. So you got the, I heard that impact driver is a beast, or the impact wrench. Well, actually, all these tools are beast. They are very comparable to Dewalt or Milwaukee. So, it just depends on what you like, because they are very comparable. I heard nothing but good things about these. So $149 impact driver kit, $109 for the, looks like a impact driver. Yeah, impact driver. And then you got the drill driver, $124. Yeah, I heard nothing but good things about the XTR. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys use XTR. Let me know if they work for you, if you like them, or if you don't like them, or whatnot. I have one of these kits. It's awesome. $14.98, you get pretty much all the bits you're going to need. That's the one from last year. So you got DeWalt, buy one, get one free. So you got 2 batteries, a charger for $199. Select the free tool. You got to the Dewalt reciprocating saw blades, $14.98. I would definitely stick with Dewalt, or like I said, Diablo, Milwaukee, Bosch, Linux. Linux is a good brand, so stick with those brands for bits or blades. My bad, reciprocating saw blades. Got a 45 piece for $14.98. 26 piece for $19.98. Got an angle grinder. It looks like a Power Detect for $89. Not too bad. It looks like it's the new angle grinder, so I don't know if it's on the wrong side or what, but for $89 it looks pretty good. I don't know if it's on the wrong price there, on the wrong tag. You got a big angle grinder there at the bottom, or for $139. Reciprocating saw $129. A sander for $129. Then the square sander for $129. A job site blower and a fan for $119. Then you got an 80 piece here. Got some nut drivers there to the right on the bottom, some socket adapters. $29.98, and it does include some drill bits to the left there. $19.98 for the 16 piece wood and metal reciprocating saw blades. So with the nice case, it tells you what each blade is designed for, wood or metal. $19.98, 100 piece Dewalt set. Like I said, a lot of TikTok filler and bits there. $9.98 for a 30 piece screwdriver and bit set. You got a nice magnetic sleeve there. $19.98 for the right angle attachment. As you guys are familiar with this, we ended up getting a smoking deal for the Black Friday deals on the other store for $14.97. If you guys haven't watched my video, go to my channel, Toolhead147. Look at right angle attachment drill bit sets. Got it for $14.97 with the free bit set. Well, actually, it came with the bit set. Really smoking deal. $19.98 is a regular price. Well, kind of like a regular price. So definitely very handy to have, especially on those corners, cabinets. You know, if you're doing cabinets, you're doing a tight corner there. So you got the Pro Zone here. We're getting closer to the Pro Zone, further to the lumber department. So $4.98 for some gloves, Craftsman. Look pretty nice, dipped in rubber. Then $14.98 for a 2-piece 24 tooth or 40 tooth saw blades, $7 1/4. So a really nice set to have, especially if you're a professional. Make sure you guys stock up on these saw blades. $3.99 for a compact job site table saw. And like I said, 7 1/4 24 tooth saw blade, $9.98. Got a 40 tooth, $14.98. And then this one's a 24 tooth saw blade, $8.98. Then you got a miter saw stand, $1.99. We did have that deal, Black Friday. I know they're still running it, where you bought a miter saw and you got a free miter saw stand. So I don't know if they're still running that or not. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.